Once your clay objects are bone dry, you're then going to sand the object to give it a fine finish before it's fired. So to do so, get a clean piece of paper out and place your object on top. At this point, the clay is very fragile, so be careful with it. You'll need one of these green Scotch-Brite pads to sand, and you're just going to very lightly rub the Scotch-Brite pad back and forth on the clay. Do not put pressure on the clay, just rest it on top, and you can go back and forth or work in circles to sand the clay object. Where the letters on the stamp are going to be the most fragile area, you can use the corner of the Scotch-Brite pad to get in between the letters. And just give it a fine finish so that it's smooth looking. Be very careful where two pieces have been scored and slipped together. And if you've got a lot of dust building up on the clay, just use a brush to brush off the dust. Do not blow the dust, as it is not good to inhale the clay dust. So handle it carefully, don't squeeze it too much, don't press it down onto the paper. Don't put pressure on the clay, just graze the Scotch-Brite pad back and forth. Once you're finished sanding, you'll place your clay objects on a cart near the front of the room. You'll return your Scotch-Brite pad, and any clay dust will go into the reclaim barrel in the back of the room.